here's a follow-up video on the Verizon Wear24 watch. I've used it exclusively for about 2 weeks, and I just want to give you my thoughts. Now, I can tell you for sure that I would say the Fit workout app is outstanding. You can do a push-up challenge, and it actually counts how many push-ups you're doing. I've done the strength training, and it actually knows what exercise you're doing, so that's pretty amazing. That said, when it comes, someone asked me to do a video making a call on it, and I can tell you that for the last half hour I've been trying to go back and forth. I've reset the watch twice, reset my phone twice. Now it is actually making calls, so I'm going to do a call while it's still working as far as that goes. So let me show you what this is. And someone actually told me that it worked when they first got it, but when they upgraded to Wear 2.0 it stopped working. So let's go ahead and make a call. And again, it's failing to connect. It is connected to my phone, and I just a minute ago made a call, but now it's not working. One of the things that I've also learned is that here you'll see, I don't know if you can see this icon where it shows a cloud. I'm going to try to zoom in there. It shows a cloud down here, and that cloud with the line through it would indicate that there's not a connection, which is peculiar because it's connected. So I'll show you on my phone that if I go into the Wear app, it's showing me that the Wear is connected. So this watch is in fact connected, and as I said, I'm going to actually, then the other thing I'm going to do is try to make a call from my landline to the watch / to my phone. So I'm going to turn my phone over so you can hear my phone's ringing. This watch is supposedly connected to the phone, and it's not receiving a call at all. So it makes no sense. And like I said, I've just reset this watch. You know, did a quick turn it off and back on, and it intermittently worked. I made one call. Connectivity here, Bluetooth. It's showing it's connected to my phone, but yet it's not working. So I can tell you right now that the call quality is terrible, that the people on the other side said they cannot hear you. So I mean, I could actually do a video once I get it to work to show you that that's the case, but essentially it's, at least on Android 2.0 from what I understand, it is in no way, shape, or form usable. The other people cannot hear you at all, and you can hear them in a crackling, real far away type of state. So I'm still hoping to be able to do a video for you with the being able to hear the sound, but as I can tell you right now, that is not the case, and I really don't think this is worth it as far as if you wanted to use it for phone calls. Now, I do not have it hooked up to the Verizon network, so that could potentially be an issue, but I can tell you right now that it just does not work. So let this boot up for a second, and I'll try once again to make a phone call. Now, letting it boot up completely. There it is. So once again, it shows that cloud. Okay, it's fully loaded. Still showing that cloud with the line through it. It shows Bluetooth, it shows LTE, and it shows the cloud with the line through it. So for some reason it just does not want to connect here. So I would say if you're using this, if you're going to use it as a regular Android Wear device, fine. The other thing that I'm finding is that when it's in this state, it doesn't always send all my notifications through. Some, but not all. It seems to send the Google ones through, but it definitely doesn't send the text messages and some of the other apps. So that connection is spotty. I have actually factory reset the device. Issue is still there. I've turned this off and on, as you can see, a couple times, and you know, tried to make calls from the phone. So I can't recommend this device at all. I would just say that if you want it for not making calls, then that's fine. For the price point, it's definitely not bad, but I was hoping this would be my replacement for my S3 and go ahead and sell that. The S3 is a fantastic device, but I figured when I got this for 50 bucks, it might be worth keeping it and, you know, using this instead and selling my other watch, so that, you know, maybe put a couple bucks in my pocket that way, and then, you know, buy something else when the price depreciates. But unfortunately, that's just not an option, because the sound and the connection, it's showing that it's making a call, but it's not actually connecting. So any thoughts you have on it, love to hear it. But let's even try the Find My Phone. But otherwise, it's just, you know, it doesn't connect all the time. So, okay. So as you can see, Find My Phone is working. So that means there should be a connection, at least Bluetooth. So why can't I make a phone call?